Dear aspirants, so today is 19th of February 2025. That means 95 days are only left for the UPSC Prelims 2025. That will be held on the 25th of May. मतलब हिसाब से ideally what should have been there, that you should have read the whole years of the current affairs by now, right? Means for every month of the current affairs from the January 2024 at least, right? Because at least 1.5 years of the current affairs is required for the UPSC prelims. So from the January to this January 2025, you must have covered all the current affairs. So ideally that should have been there, and now is the time to start revision of all those current affairs. तो ideally तो ये होना चाहिए, but several aspirants meet and they find lots kinds of difficulties. Difficulties like कि किसी का तो नोट्स ही नहीं बना, कुछ ऐसे हैं जो जनवरी फरवरी मार्च में तो उन्होंने 2024 में बहुत जोश से स्टार्ट किया, फिर उसके बाद उनका वो ब्रेक आ गया, and for next 3-4 months they didn't read for the current affairs, then again started. Some of the aspirants are like this, that who is saying that sir I have started from the June 2024, so will that be enough, right? Then you do not have a organized material. Some of you have read current affairs of some month from one coaching institute, another has read, means for another month you have read from the another coaching institute. So these kinds of things are there regarding current affairs. Means overall most of the aspirants, they are not organized in their preparation except few, the very serious one. The serious aspirants जो होंगे वो obviously पूरे साल का अच्छे से डेडिकेटली करंट अफेयर्स किए होंगे, हो सकता है उसके नोट्स भी बनाए हो, उसको रिवाइज भी कर रहे हो, बट द परसेंटेज ऑफ द aspirants doing all these things are very less, right? And it is very much important that you do all these kinds of practice, because current affairs has lots of weightage in UPSC prelims. You will find that directly or indirectly 45 questions are being asked, means 45 plus minus 5 questions, 40 to 50 questions are directly or indirectly asked from the current affairs. डायरेक्टली तो ऐसे पूछा जाएगा कि डायरेक्टली करंट अफेयर्स में जो इश्यूज है उससे बारे में यूपीएससी क्वेश्चन पूछ ले, बट इनडायरेक्टली आल्सो 20 to 25 क्वेश्चंस दे आर आस्किंग फ्रॉम द करंट अफेयर्स इटसेल्फ, बिकॉज द यूपीएससी सिलेबस इज लाइक एन ओशियन. सो व्हाट all you have to read, right? So that you find out from the current affairs. So it is very much required that no matter how has been your preparation since last 1 year, you should streamline your preparation from now onwards. At least you should have some material to rely upon. At least you should have some lectures which you can see and you can clear your concepts. And at least you should have some test, that whenever you attempt this test and you get a good marks in the test, so you feel confident. Confidence is everything in the UPSC prelims, right? ठीक है, प्रिपरेशन भी मैटर करता है, बट उससे भी ज्यादा मैटर करता है कॉन्फिडेंस, क्योंकि बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स तो ऐसे भी होते हैं जो साल भर प्रिपेयर किया, बट एग्जाम हॉल के दिन वो अंडर कॉन्फिडेंट फील कर रहे हैं, वो बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन गलत करके आ गए, उनका प्रीलिम्स रह गया. सो कॉन्फिडेंस मैटर्स अ लॉट, and you will feel confident if you are prepared well. Therefore the Kalam IAS has launched this case snippet sessions. Last year also these sessions were very much helpful, so we have got a very positive feedback. We have extended that further and we have covered more comprehensively this time, and therefore this case snippet session, this will be a 1-point solution for those aspirants. So either they have missed some kind of preparation in between, or even those students who have been streamlining their preparation, but they want now that there should be revision of all those missed articles. So in the case snippet sessions, more than 1000 articles we will be covering. Articles means topics we will be covering, and that will be a comprehensive cover. Comprehensive cover means it will cover from the articles of the geography, environment, polity, society, government schemes, then economic survey, budget, then other kinds of places in news, species in news, every kind things which is being asked in the UPSC prelims, we will be trying to cover in this session, right? So this is a case snippet session in which there will be roughly 8 sessions, that is 8 modules will be there. One subject may have more than 1 classes depending upon the nature of the subjects. If the subjects required more than 1 classes, so that can also be done. So these are the 8 modules we are having, that is polity and governance, economy, geography and environment, science and technology, IR, security, society, government schemes, history, art and culture. So all these schemes are there. See this history, art and culture, everyone reads this spectrum, but what about those issues which are there in the news, right? For example, 150 years of the this tribal revolt, means Dharti Abba is there, right? Birsa Munda's 150 years is there. So very likely this year tribal revolts will be asked in the UPSC prelims. How would you know? You will do only if you are doing the current affairs, right? Regarding the history as well as the culture itself, right? So last year also you will see that the government scheme, 3 government schemes have been asked. They were very much in news. So how would you know if you are not preparing the current affairs? So therefore this case snippet session will be very much helpful. In this session there will be 3 kinds of things. 1.5 years of the book, means articles compilation will be there inside the booklet, so that you will be getting. इससे क्या फायदा होगा कि एक जगह पे आपको सारा कुछ मिल जाएगा, सब्जेक्ट वाइज मिल जाएगा, थीम वाइज मिल जाएगा, तो उससे क्या होगा कि आपको रिवाइज करने में आसानी हो जाएगी. सेकेंड थिंग, वी आर ऑल्सो हैविंग द लेक्चर्स. For each subjects there may be at least 1 or more than 1 lectures. So very important topics from those sections we will be covering under this, right? And there will be special sessions for the budget economic survey. There will be a special session for the forest survey as well, right? So all these things, all these subjects you will also be covering through the lectures. And after that there will be 2 full-length tests, and this will be as per the UPSC standard, this will be as per the UPSC pattern. So I hope that those of you who are still lacking and who are still feeling underconfident in the current affairs, so this is the right time. You cannot miss now, because only 95 days are left. You have to revise a static portion as well as the current affairs, and that too multiple times. So only if you are organized in your preparation, only if your materials are organized, only if you are giving your tests frequently, then only your chances to get success in the prelims 2025 becomes larger, right? So I hope that you will be getting benefited from this case snippet session. Please check out on the website of the Kalam IAS. There will also be information regarding this in the description box. So that is all from my side.